Welcome back everyone. I'll show you a different way of how to install the Fortnite game onto any unsupported device. I've showed you this before, but I guess your guys were running into some issues, but they did release an update. So I'll go ahead and show you guys that, but I'll go ahead and show you, this is the Samsung Galaxy A30. As you can see, I mean, it's not like a completely new device. I mean, it's a new device that came out last year, but it is kind of technically a budget device that's unsupported with Fortnite natively. But as you can see, I do have the Fortnite app, and if I do go ahead and bust it open, you will see that we will eventually get into it. It shouldn't take too long, but I will tell you the process to install this is easy, but it does take quite a bit of time. So you can't just go download the Epic Games app, and you can't just download the Google Play Store and download it from there, because for some reason it doesn't show up for me. But hopefully I've showed you some footage of this phone playing it. You know, it took a little while of time, but in order for you to actually go and fully install it, what you want to do is you want to go click that first link down in the description. It should take you to some page that looks like this. Hopefully I still have it up, and I do. So it should take you to this page. So what you want to do once you're here is you want to see that first link or that first page that says Fortnite whatever APK. You want to click that download link that's right next to it, and a little pop-up will come up and it'll say download whatever. You want to go ahead and click download, and then a little download thing will come up here. You can click OK. It really didn't harm my phone at all. And then once you're here, you want to click details, and it'll go ahead and start downloading. Now if you have a different device, if you have something that's not a Samsung device, then the layout might be a little bit different, but it should be about the same. So once you're here, all you want to do is you want to click on the APK, whether it's that one or the one we just downloaded, which is okay, and you can just go in and say staging app. It'll give you a little bit whatever. Now I've already installed this, so I don't know. I mean, I can go ahead and reinstall it. Maybe I'll run into an error, but as you guys saw from the way I did it before, I didn't run into any errors. I was able to install it fully through. And then what happened right after that, because the installing process took a long time, so I just filmed it before so I wouldn't have to wait for it in this video. But I installed it, and then it installed the Fortnite app. So what you do there is you go ahead and open up the Fortnite app, and it'll go ahead and say maybe this device is unsupported, all this other nonsense. And it will just ask you to sign into the Fortnite account or your Epic Games account. And then once you do that, and as you can see actually on my thing, I actually got the app installed, so I can go ahead and open it, and it'll probably take me back to that same page, or maybe it deleted the main game and then I have to reinstall it, I don't know. But basically it would take me here, and then I had to log into my Epic Games account, and then after that, that's when I'm able to actually fully install the game. So the game is about 8 gigs, it's a pretty big game, so you do need quite a bit of storage onto your device saved before you install it. So make sure you have some type of, amount of storage saved. You don't want to just start installing it and just, wait from there. You want to make sure you have a good amount of storage saved on your device. And once that happens, you want to go and let it run. It'll take a while for it to fully install the game. And then once that's done, you'll probably get another error where it'll say this device is not supported, this or that, and you just have to keep clicking play or keep clicking install or whatever. And then once you're done there, the game is pretty much set to play, It's almost as if you already downloaded it from the Play Store or whatever. You just have to go through that standard setup. As you can see, I finally get the play sign, so I'm going to go and click. And as you can see, I get that same little thing, device not officially supported. It doesn't matter, I'm still going to click play anyway. And this loading screen takes so long. It takes like 4 hours to go through. Not 4 hours, it takes about like 10 minutes or something. If you have a newer device, you'll be able to play the games better. And the gameplay of this footage really isn't that bad. It definitely is choppy, but for a device that's technically not supported, it's actually pretty decent at the end of the day. So again, you can tinker around with the graphics settings. If you have a more powerful phone that's still not supported, it should be able to play a little bit better at the end of the day. So that's really pretty much the process. Download the APK, install the APK, and then kind of go from there. And again, if you're running issues of where it says app cannot be installed or whatever, try restarting your device, try reinstalling the APK and see what happens there. But that's really pretty much the process, just a little bit of an update to the previous version. If you guys have any questions or anything like that, leave it down in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys could hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my second channel, all those links are linked down below. I'd really appreciate if you guys to check it out. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.